right, Carson Ray's dirt bike ride. He's turning. All right, look at that boy go. He's doing good. Good job. Doing good, buddy. Real good. Oh yeah. He was real nervous a little bit ago. He's like, Uncle Joe, I don't want to do this. I don't want to ride dirt bikes. So I said, it's okay, just give it a little bit of gas. And he's a natural. So, perfect. Perfect. All right, let's see how he stops. Nice, good stop. Go ahead, I just wanted to make sure you could stop real good. Doing perfect. Don't go through the water.